send this to a CEO of those companies, they're gonna tell you, fuck off, two, if you got skills, go work on Call of Duty, or go work on 2012, go work on this zany new project we have, which is Overwatch, which we will definitely make a ton of lore about, on par with other stuff. Again, I am still salty that they didn't do Overwatch lore so fucking much. You have no idea how salty I am that Blizzard basically made the game, then presented it as a basically almost completed game, and in reality it was a long ass beta, and all we got about the lore from Overwatch 1 was just things happening in the past. The plot literally barely ever moved forward. All we got was basically sexuality reveals for some of the characters, and that was it. Like, absolutely. Like, from a gaming standpoint, the game was fun, of course, and it looked incredible. Like, the first time I saw the Genji animation for the deflect, or the designs of the character. Like, the designs in Overwatch 1 are pristine. Reinhardt, Doomfist, Gengu, like, absolutely amazing. But I think they didn't really have any plans, or they had plans but they didn't receive the resources, especially when the team was managed by Jeff. Like, I don't think they were given the resources they were asking for, or Blizzard, Activision, they wanted to have them focused on other stuff. And then I could not believe when players were on board with buying Overwatch 2. Like, I absolutely was appalled. I was baffled. To me, it was like, these guys cannot understand shit. I tried to tell some people in some forums, you guys, you shouldn't do this, it is not worth it. Then they do it. They say it's for the better graphics that you can barely notice, by the way, because the Overwatch is a very stylized game. It is for the PvE experience. Yeah, about that. All it did was allow Blizzard to change the monetization from Overwatch 1 to Overwatch 2, and the players that spent money on the game or were involved in the story, like they were curious about the story, they got shafted. They got basically shafted by Blizzard to an insane degree. And even I had spent, I think, around more than 400 euros on the game, just by buying loot boxes and stuff. Like, I think, if I remember correctly, I even owned the Mercy charity skin, and I also was grinding Heroes of the Storm, which I hate MOBAs, but I was grinding Heroes of the Storm for the Genji skin. Like, I will show you guys. Genji Overwatch Heroes of the Storm skin. Yeah, this skin. This is the one. Like, the first time, only Genji, okay. The first time I saw this skin, I was like, whoa. Holy shit, black and red. Oni mask. Big ass sword. Like, made like a saber, basically. Like, to me, it was absolutely amazing. And I grinded the game for this. I can't remember if I remember I had also cop d.va, but I don't remember if I was grinding. And yeah, and now they make him look like this. Like, we went from this. This is the art of Overwatch 1, and now he looks like that. Looks like a jobber here. He kinda looks like knight with hoodie. Like, if I can find the art. Not this. Not knight hoodie. like this. Yeah, like there was an artist. There is an artist on Twitter that makes like art like this. Basically, it's like knights, but they are wearing like stylish hoodies and jeans and pants and stuff, and it's actually super cool. And like they have basically only the helmet and I think the gloves and the weapons, of course, but it is amazing, man. It is like it looks badass without even trying. And this one, it gives me those vibes, but it is not this, man. It just is not this art, basically. Like, look at it. Look at the details on it. All these kind of screws on him. And again, basic to my understanding, Genji, when he was human, he got basically cleaved in half, and we never yeah, look at the sword, man. But yeah, in Overwatch 1, we basically never found out how exactly that happened. Again, I was waiting, man. I was waiting so much. But enough of my Overwatch and Blizzard scumminess rant. Let's go forward.
So